In this video, we are reviewing another free Minecraft SMP server hosting. Name is scalacube. Website is scalacube.com. Go to the website and from there, scroll all the way down. Click free Minecraft server hosting. Free forever, 24/7 uptime, instant setup, all Minecraft versions, SSD storage and more. So click get free Minecraft server. 6GB RAM, 24/7 free forever. Select your location and click get your server. Select the version Minecraft Java Edition for PC or Minecraft Pocket Edition for mobile consoles or other. I'll select Minecraft Java Edition for PC. Click next. Change the location if you need to. Click next. Select installation type. I will go for standard. You can select snapshot, fabric, paper MC. I'll go for the latest Minecraft version, standard Minecraft 1.20.4. Select, click next. From this list, choose this one, free forever with Minecraft 6G free. Next, this will be our server address. Click next. So we are going for free, so we won't add automated backups. Click next and here fill this form to create your account. Account created successfully. Continue. And we are in. Continue. Free server has been added successfully. Click details. Click here. So RAM 6GB, storage 30GB, SSD. Status activated. Click manage server. So it's being configured right now. Process completed. Click next. And then you get this information. This is our server's address. Copy it and from here turn it on. Click turn on. Process completed. Click next and server is up and running. Click manage to manage the server. This is the server IP including port. Turn on off, reboot, refresh from here. Here is our console and these are the settings. Memory is 5.4GB allocated to this setup, not full 6GB. Okay, so let's try this server. Run Minecraft, click multiplayer, click proceed, click add server, give this server a name, paste server address, click done. And this server is online, just like that. Select the server, click join server. And here is the world. Multiplayer survival world. So the server response is great, and this is how you can get free Minecraft server and play Minecraft with friends. This server allows 6GB of RAM as they claim at their front page, but 5.5GB RAM is for sure, and 30GB of SSD storage space. And this server is 24/7 online, but you need to renew it after every second day. So this is one video in this series. I am reviewing a lot more Minecraft SMP server hostings. Make sure to subscribe to see how far we end up exploring. If you have experience with this server provider, share your experience in comments. Okay, if this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notifications, and I will see you in the next one.